Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing new video over here. And guys, today is a very exciting video because in this video we will be discussing the 1000+% increasement in your portfolio which you can be making right now with XRP. So of course, if this sounds interesting, make sure to right away smash up that like button, guys. Make sure to hit it up. Would be amazing if we can reach the 400 likes, of course. And what will be also very amazing here, if you're new to the channel, to hit that subscribe button. Of course, make sure to also ring that bell notification because then you're not missing out of these time-related updates, of course, because this is, of course, very time-related here. And guys, let me go right away into the chart. Yes, guys. I've been diving a little bit more into the price section of XRP, and I've been even seeing more bullish things here. And of course, like I told you before here, I'm still in my leverage trade here with a 10x leverage, and of course, I will be riding this one towards the $2.72 here. So this is of course a very exciting thing here, and you can see today XRP has been climbing $1.40 currently. It's been climbing 4.5%. Of course, compared to Bitcoin, it's very good here. And also compared to Ethereum, it's been lagging behind a little bit here. But let me talk a little bit about the Ethereum valuation. Just like I talked earlier as well about my Cardano video here, guys. I was talking about that Cardano is outperforming Ethereum currently, and that we will be seeing the money shifting from Ethereum into Cardano. And just like I was saying that with Cardano, I exactly expect the same with XRP. I expect that Ethereum will be lagging behind a little bit here, and of course that the money from Ethereum will be also flowing a little bit more into XRP. And here are my reasons why here. So if you flip on to a trading view, guys, if you go to trading view, you go to the XRP compared to Ethereum valuation, we can be seeing the exact same thing here that we were also seeing with the Cardano price section. Of course, earlier today, discussing the Cardano video here, definitely one that you want to be watching because Cardano looks also absolutely bullish here. But this, of course, XRP is the one that I'm willing to leverage trade here. XRP is, of course, for a spot trade. And this one is really the one that I'm willing to leverage trade because I currently can still get this entry very cheap, of course. So you can see here as well, a falling wedge is currently getting created for XRP compared to Ethereum. And of course, it is very important to look at the Ethereum valuation because, yeah, Ethereum is the main altcoin. What will be, of course, it pumped already first. But right now, you can see here, it tends to move as well in waves here. And of course, a lot of volatility here in the XRP chart. You can see move to the downside getting created, sideways, move to the upside, move to the downside. And if we're going to see a breakout, yeah, we are definitely going to see an insane increase, guys. And you may be wondering, when are we going to break out? Of course, I can't give you an exact detail. Of course, it's just my own opinion here. But I can't give you an exact detail here, guys. Of course, I do expect that we are going to see a breakout before the 20th of May. And that is within 5 days, of course, already. So from the point that we're currently trading on, this breakout target will be approximately 128%, and that is absolutely insane, guys, because I mean I will be going into more depth of other charts, but this already giving us a signal that we can be seeing a 120% increase in price. Of course, I'm taking that with a 10x leverage. It's more than 1200% trade here. Absolutely insane what we are currently getting. And guys, a quick thing that I still want to be saying here, the Femex deposit bonus still ongoing right now. If you're just willing to spot trade XRP, let's say you're depositing some XRP on Femex to spot trade it over here, you can also get this 2000 free bonus here for trading. So you can be opening this trade that I'm currently discussing with you completely for free. So make sure to go into the description, make sure to sign up with Femex, and then you can be, of course, taking a free trade here if you're just willing to only spot trade. Of course, definitely worth to do so because yes, guys, you have to notice Femex is almost yeah, of course, they're focusing a lot on spot trading as well here. They have more than 20 pairs, so definitely worth to check out here. They also have XRP, so you can be buying your XRP over there for your spot position, and once you're doing so, you're also getting 2000 free US dollars in a trading bonus. So of course, you can be also opening a leverage trade with it. So with the 10x, it's a free 20k trade here. So definitely worth to check out here. Definitely make sure to sign up here already because, guys, yeah, of course, it is not only the XRP compared to Ethereum valuation that is looking extremely good here. It is not only this valuation, you have to notice, because also if I go to XRP compared to Bitcoin, guys, we have been also discussing this one, and you can see the exact price target as well coming up here. But we are so close. We are currently trading against resistance, and this is not the first touch, guys. This is not the first touch that we are getting here, and I want to be raising the awareness that you don't want to be missing out of this one. And I think, of course, I just told you, yeah, before the 20th of May, we're going to see a breakout for the Cardano, sorry, for the XRP compared to Ethereum valuation. Yes, exactly as well for XRP compared to Bitcoin, but we can already see this one today. And of course, if we're going to see the volatility we can create today already on the XRP compared to Bitcoin chart, it will be definitely helping to push up the price for XRP compared to Ethereum as well here. So I mean, it is only one chart that has to break out, and of course the other charts will be following. And I mean, this one is also looking extremely good here. And guys, look at the price target. This is of course also another 42% increasement, and that is also with the 10x leverage already 420%. It's already so much here. And even though if you're not willing to leverage trade, even though a spot trade 42% is a massive trade here, guys, this is definitely a good opportunity that you can be taking currently. And I feel so excited about XRP because no one has been talking about these trades here. But we on the channel, of course, we are anticipating it currently, and that is the reason why we are going to crush the market. And a lot of people are just not going to crush it. So definitely make sure to not, to make sure to not have any XRP. And make sure to be at least a little bit exposed to XRP in your portfolio. Even though you don't like it, it will be probably giving you good returns, I can already ensure you. So yeah, of course, symmetrical triangle, of course, tends to break out as well into the direction that it was heading towards. And you can see symmetrical triangle was getting created from a move to the upside. Then you see beautiful consolidation playing out here in the symmetrical triangle. And of course, we are pretty close to the apex already. So yes, guys, we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. So I will be looking forward towards to see what we are going to do. Of course, I think we can already see this breakout today. Of course, in exactly 19 hours, we're going to close this daily candle, guys. And let me know if you as well in the comments here. Do you want me, if we're seeing a breakout on exactly 19 hours and 57 minutes, do you want me to make an update video by then? Let me know in the comment section right now, because yes, unfortunately, I can't stream today. But guys, do you want me to make another update video once seeing this insane breakout? I would definitely love to do so. So let me know in the comment section if you want me. Because yes, guys, currently I'm probably not at home once I'm uploading this one, but definitely make sure to comment something, because yes, I will be checking the comments as soon as I can here, guys. So it would be amazing if you can right now can be smashing up the likes, can be make some noise for the algorithm, of course. So will be, of course, very, very amazing if you right now will be just leaving a comment, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, because then you will be helping me to boost this video even more, to push this to more people. Because yes, guys, you see this as well. This is an insane opportunity that no one is talking about, and we on the channel are definitely doing this. And I mean, all these charts are coming together, and of course, XRP compared to US dollar also looks just beautiful. This is a beautiful pattern. I mean, beautiful symmetrical triangle getting formed. Of course, also a move to the upside is getting created. So the likelihood of this one's breaking towards the upside is also very, very likely. So I mean, guys, I just can't stress enough about it that no one is currently seeing this, but that is the reason why I want to be pushing this. And of course, make sure to also share this with your friends, because this is, of course, an opportunity that you want to be embracing. And I will be saying this to every single viewer. I don't say these things for no reason. I say this purely out of my heart, because this is an opportunity that you don't want to be missing out. And if you're wondering for the price targets on the US dollar valuation, this is, of course, from the point that we're currently still trading on, also another 94% increasement. And of course, that one is coming together with the increasement from the Ethereum valuation. So of course, makes a lot of sense here. And of course, if you're just looking for this for the first resistance target around the $2, of course, that comes together with the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation. So yes, I think, yeah, the $2 will be, of course, major resistance already, but we're definitely going to smash through it. And you know, XRP tends to create these big moves to the upside in a very rapid pace here. So I should definitely say to you, you don't want to be standing on the sidelines. And of course, once we're seeing this increasement, you heard it first on the channel. So guys, for me, I don't will be giving you exact levels where to, for me, I won't be giving you exact levels where you want to be accumulating here, of course. But I mean, for spot traders, definitely should be just accumulating. Doesn't matter for me if it's even on top side or the lowest side here. Of course, for leverage trading, I mean, I should definitely say you can already accumulate it. But of course, don't go all in. Make sure to have enough money aside to add more once falling, because then you're not getting wrecked. Then you're pushing lower your entry price. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel. I mean, the best accumulation level where I should set a limit order to open your position is, to be very honest, $1.34 here. We can still reach that. It's not out of the books, but of course it won't. It doesn't make. I mean, we can also easily just see an increasement towards the top side anytime soon here. But yeah, guys, this was the video about XRP. Hopefully you guys love this video. Hopefully you're going to at least take some advantage from it. Of course, this is no financial advice. This is my personal opinion about the market, and this is very important to know here, because guys, this is an insane opportunity that, of course, we are currently watching here. And that is the reason why I just quickly still made this update video. So hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you can still smash up the like here. It would be amazing if I can see you guys later today. Probably maybe another video here. So let me know if you want me to make another video here. Then I will be definitely doing so. But guys, thank you so much for watching here. We'll check you guys later in a new video on the channel. Goodbye.